So here we go. This is my first time trying the orange chicken from Panda Express. I chose the orange chicken from Panda Express because apparently they're the ones that invented it. So this was invented in the 80s. This is based off of a Hunanese dish, which is very interesting because that cuisine is really spicy originally. And so, yeah, I've maybe eaten Panda Express like once. What year could it have been? What year is it now? So it's been easily over 20 years since I've ever had Panda Express, and I definitely did not have orange chicken. So let's try this. Oh, there's egg in the rice. I don't know if that's on purpose. Okay, so the rice in itself is not great. I'm gonna be right back because if we're gonna do this, I'm gonna give it its best chance. Okay, so I've got a good bowl of rice here. And you know, rice can make or break a dish when it comes to Chinese food. Let's see how this goes. I kind of expected it to be sweeter. It's actually got a, like, I expected almost sugar sweet, but it's not. It's got at least some kind of balance of sweet and salty. The batter's not great. It's not like crunchy or anything, but what can you expect out of takeout? So like, that's not really the fault of theirs. It's a little bland. Like, it's really sweet. It's not salty enough, but it's not all that flavorful enough. That's really interesting. I expected too much, and it doesn't really give me much of anything. The rice is good. Oh, it's mine. Yeah, it's definitely food. The chicken's not like offensively dry. I'm sorry I'm not more dramatic about this. I'm not really in the business of making a big deal about food that's not for me. I wouldn't have to be blackout drunk to enjoy this, but I'm sure being drunk would help. I don't get Hunan from this whatsoever. This tastes like what I expect Chinese American food in the 80s to taste like. Like, this just tastes like the 80s. I have a pretty good idea of where we can go with this. What is terrifying about this is that even though I used Faygo, it's still not as sweet as the Panda Express version of this dish. It's spicier, which, you know, it's supposed to be actually spicy. And there's more depth because I used spices when I made the sauce. But because it's not so sugary sweet, there's actually like some room for like other flavors to go through. I think I could find a Hunanese person that would actually like this dish. I'm starting to sweat, holy crap. And a lot of times you'll find in like spicy Chinese dishes, they put in the chili pepper for drama, because it's just like to show you that it's hot. I actually like eating them. Oh, that's real sweet. Oh, that's spicy though. And of course the rice is good. Whew. Oh, where's my... I'm glad I bought an extra one of these. The problem with it is, because I use the herbs and vinegar in the Faygo itself when I was making the sauce, it no longer tasted like Faygo, because Faygo just tastes like orange sugar water, which is actually kind of what Panda Express chicken tastes like. But because I wanted to add depth through spices, it kind of took away that plain orange drink taste, which it would be cool if I could kind of incorporate that into orange chicken, but then it would just be orange chicken, and the point is also to make it better orange chicken. So as an orange chicken dish, I'm happy with it. As a Faygo orange chicken dish, it only kind of worked, but it was still really tasty.